Hi, my name is Angela. Thank you guys so much for finding my Fall 2020 Pusheen Box review. If this is your first time at my channel, please think about subscribing and giving this video a like, and I'm super excited to see what's in this box. I love the fall boxes, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this month's box is a giant blue box. The front of it has a cute face. The bottom of it has toe beans, like boop, boop. Gotta boop the toe beans. And then the back of it has a little tail. I love the detail that they put on their boxes. They're so cute. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. So we're gonna set it down and we're gonna open him. Ooh, okay. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So we've got, I can't keep it up, the cute constellation type thing, and then the contents of the box, and I'm dropping stuff. Okay, come back here, little card. Where did you go? Okay, so here's the card that comes with the box, and then all the items in the box. So this is super cute. Like, I love the fall boxes. This is pretty much one of the only ones I get every year because I can't afford to get the box all year. But the fall box never, ever disappoints. Like, I didn't get it for the first year they had it, and I still regret it because it was such, like, so much cute stuff in there. But we're going to see what's in here. So these out of this world Pusheen pillowcases, and they're satin. Like, these are so cute. What do they look like? Okay, so we got pillowcases. Out of this world. Look how cute these are. I love, and they both look the same. I love pillowcases, and like, these are soft. Oh, I can't wait to put these on my pillows. I can't wait to go wash them and put them on my pillows. So, out of this world pillowcases, the first item. Okay, let's go for this fuzzy thing. Ooh, it's a shirt. Ooh. It's super soft and fuzzy, and it says Cosmic. It has a hood. Ooh, this is nice. Turn inside out to machine wash, and it's a Pusheen Box hoodie. I like this. Oh, best part about it, it has pockets, guys. It has pockets. Those are what are important in women's clothing. But look how cute this is. It's so cute, and it's so soft. Like, it's a velvety style material, which, being a child who grew up in the 90s, I love anything that's velvet feeling. It's so soft. So yay, a hoodie. I am always happy to have more Pusheen clothing. Okay, and next up we have a Pusheen sleep mask. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So it says Stellar, and it has nice elastic to the back. It's satin, it's super soft. This will be great when I'm allowed to travel again and I can use it on airplanes. I really like this. Super soft. Okay, so next up we have, what are you? You are an alarm clock, Pusheen Box exclusive. Oh, that's cute. Let's get it open. Oh, it looks like a little, oh, it's a cute little clock. There we go. And it has little Pusheens on it. Oh, and they're the Zodiac. How cute is that? Like, each one is based off the Zodiac. That's super cute. And it takes a battery. So there's the back. Takes a battery in it. That's super cute. And like, it's an actual clock. It's not digital. So that's really neat. Okay, next up we have a coaster set. So there's the box. It's got 4 designs and a sticker. They're child-proofing it, guys. I can't get in there. Okay, come on. Here we go. Oh, and they are cork. So, Out of This World, Him on the Moon, Stardust, and my last two are stuck together. There we go. Stellar. Those are cute. They will go great in my living room. Okay, next item is a trinket jar. Okay. Ooh, and it's plastic. That's great. It means I won't break it. Okay, so here's the jar part of it. It's got Pusheen and stars, and then it has a little top, a little yellow top. Nice. It's like a little candy jar or anything I can use in my kitchen, so that works. That's great. Okay, next up. What's this? This is a star projector lamp. Ooh, a star projector lamp. Okay. Let's see here. That's cool. Like, I saw one of these, like a nightlight version of something similar to this at Target with Baby Yoda on it. But this is so cool. Like, it's got an LED light, and it's so hard to show you guys from there. But it's got constellations and little Pusheens on it. And you turn the light on, and I guess it twirls and makes those lights on your walls. Oh, that's so cool. I can't wait to try this out. Like, I'm super interested now. Okay. Next up, we have this is the vinyl figure. All the boxes come with a Pusheen vinyl figure in them. And so this is the one for this box. So it's him on a moon. That's super cute. Let's go ahead and get it out and open it up. Here we go. Oh, that's so cute. He's jumping across the moon. That's adorable. Like, I'm going to put this up on my desk because this is so cute. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Like, his little tail and everything. He's so cute. Okay, and then there's one more thing in here. What is this? It's a paper item. This is a Pusheen Box hanging wall art. Oh, that's cute. It's gold, so it's going to reflect, but it's got Pusheen and a bunch of little stars. It's like a little hanging thing that you put on your wall that has them. Oh, it's cute. I don't want to open it yet, but it's got directions inside and the cords hang down. That's so cute. Nice. Okay, well, everything that was in this box was the vinyl figure, the hoodie, the coasters, the sleeping mask, the clock, the little plastic jar, trinket jar, the star projector, the pillowcases, and the do-it-yourself wall hanging. That is awesome. So the Pusheen box is around $49.95, $50, and they do it 4 times a year. They do it for each time. So this is the fall box. And this is the one, I always love this one. Like, there's always such good stuff in the fall box. I'm pretty sure there's good stuff in all of them. This is the one I always make sure to get because I love everything that comes in them. But yeah, I'll put a link down in the comments if you guys are interested in checking out the Pusheen box. And thank you guys so much for watching my review. Thank you guys so much for checking out my review of the Fall 2020 Pusheen box. If this is your first time at my channel, I do makeup reviews and fandom reviews and comics and all types of nerdy stuff on this channel. So if you guys like that type of stuff, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Hope you guys have a fantastic week and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!